Good morning, I'm Roy Olemuller and I'm the Communications Manager for BMW Motorcycles in the U.S. The Enduro market is a continually growing market segment, and these two new models are not true Enduros, they're more of a feature of what we would call adventure touring Enduros. And we like to say that BMW invented this market segment more than 2 decades ago with the introduction of the R1200GS. And as you can see, I'm standing here adjacent to our flagship adventure tour, the R1200GS Adventure, appropriately named. The GS Adventure, being again the flagship of the Enduro bikes, has some unique features that even the R1200GS does not have. It has an exceptionally high capacity gas tank, which you can see here at 8.7 gallons. This is a feature obviously intended for long range riding. Riders of the R1200GS Adventure truly are those that will take extended rides, the typical Alaska, Mexico type Enduro adventure riding. Another big feature on this particular model, as you can see, are the aluminum side cases, and we also have a top box. It's not shown on this model, but these allow a significant amount of luggage capacity, carrying capacity for those long Enduro type rides. This year in 2008, we have some unique improvements or additional equipment. One is an Enduro gearbox, which provides a lower gear ratio, allowing the bike to be ridden at lower speeds with less clutch actuation. This is especially good in rough terrain, hillsides, rocky, etc., where you're going to be motoring through at very low speeds. A unique feature to this bike and the R1200GS in 2008 is a new ESA system. That's electronic suspension adjustment. BMW introduced that particular feature on several street models last year. It's very unique. It's not only a first for BMW, it's a first in the motorcycle industry. The engine now is up to 105 horsepower. It's a 5% increase in horsepower. The MSRP for both bikes now is $14,600 for the R1200GS and $16,600 for its sister bike here, the flagship, the R1200GS Adventure. We recommend going to your authorized dealer to take a test drive on the new 2008 R1200GS and the R1200GS Adventure.